Alright, so we have here a clone of an Electro-Harmonix green Russian Big Muff. I made this for a buddy of mine. Now, it didn't go perfectly the build process. I have the habit of drilling the enclosures according to what I think will look cool without any thought put into how the parts will actually fit. So, lesson learned, make sure everything fits before you drill it. And if that fails, another lesson learned is, again, make sure everything fits before you spend time on the finish. Because I went all out on the finish for this one. It's got this nice green splatter. But then in the end, things didn't really fit perfectly, so it was kind of a waste of effort. You'll see there's an extra hole there, right about there. Whoops. That was not a good hole. Anyway, though, it works. So here's our Big Muff. So, clean sound. And here we go. It's extremely distorted. I've got the gain at like 2/3. If I turned it all the way down, what do we get? Still pretty distorted. You won't get overdrive tones out of this. But why would you want that anyway? This is a fucking Big Muff. You're just gonna get meltdown distortion. That's where it's at, right? It's actually farting out already. So let's take a look at the tone knob. I've got it at like 10 o'clock right now. If I turn it down, then you get the bassy kind of vibe going on. I found if you turn the tone down and then crank the gain, the lows are quite crushing. Jesus Lord! Okay, so if you go the other way on the tone knob, as is the case with all Big Muffs, things get a lot thinner. So that's all the way up. Not a very useful tone. I tend to put around 1 or 2 o'clock. That seems to work for me. Let's see how loud it can get. So that's cranking the volume knob. Okay. Now I've got a switch on there for variable mid-range. It's actually a pretty subtle effect though. Maybe if I turn the gain down, it'll be more easy to discern. But, okay. So, our switch is in the middle position right now. Let's go to the left. A bit more mid-range that way. Back to the middle. Now go to the right, which I suspect will have less mids. Pretty cool. I like it all the way to the left for all the mids I can get. Anyway, that's my demo for this pedal. I hope it was enjoyable. Why would you go buy the reissue when you can just make one? Don't answer that question. You should always buy the original. Don't be like me and build ripoffs. And then just constantly hit E chords. Alright, thanks for watching.